bring the Rhyperior. Okay. I mean the Aegis Slash. Okay. Okay. Off one, not bad. How do I want to lead this? What does he lead? He likes, or she likes, I'm not sure actually. She likes, I believe, to lead with Politoed? But that's really obvious. Do I think that they scarfed anything? Doubt it. I think my safest lead is always Rotom. But if they lead Rillaboom, I get fucked. I mean, they might. I think they'll expect the Ribombee, and then because of that, they'll lead the Rotom Heat. I mean, even if they lead Politoed, I can just Volt Switch, or I got Thunder in the rain. Thunder's free. I mean, it goes Rillaboom, then it is what it is. If they go Rillaboom, it's whatever. Maybe I just Volt Switch because they're just gonna Hard Switch right away, and then I can always just go into my Tangrowth after. No big deal, right? NBD, NBD. Good luck, have fun, Lily. And the wishy-washy, washy-wishies, something like that, I forget. Raincores are scary, man. Like uber dominant BDSP. Yeah, that's probably Toad, right? Oh no, it's you. Okay. I have no speed invest. I'm just gonna Volt Switch. I mean, they could just bang a Draco right off the rip. Yeah, okay. That's fine, I guess. Oh! Oh, he crit me. Well, so much for that. I should have just switched. And then the eject button, What a play. Freaking huge. Huge, bruh. Politoed for the rain. Wow, crit. That's kind of crazy. That's actually really crazy. Eject button too, or eject pack. So the fact that that actually got off like that, that's kind of nuts to me. I actually don't know what to do now. Because this thing was my check to a lot of things, like Ice Slash, Rotom, and Kabutops. Crit turn one, bro. I might just run. I guess I go Dusclops. What else is there to do, really? Instead of Trick Room. Damn proc, okay. Gonna just set Trick Room in. Do they Toxic? Do they Hypnosis? Who knows? Yeah, they Toxic, okay. That's actually quite tilting. Like really, really tilting. I'm just gonna Toxic too. Fuck it. They get ahead in the damage, I'll just Pain Split, and then Politoed will probably go down. I mean, they could Hard Switch. I'm Spadef, so Scald shouldn't do too much. I mean, the Rain Boost, you know. Gonna just Pain Split here. They switch, so we're gonna Pain Split off something that's full. Fred is gonna be Rillaboom, right? Yes, sir. We'll take that. You know, if they SD, they SD. We're gonna just Toxic into Nightshade. forget who they can Dynamax. I think they can Dynamax Politoed and Kabutops. I'm not sure. Forget. Let's see. Let's do it here. Oh, I didn't even see what they clicked. Oh no, they didn't click anything, right? What'd they do? Did they Grassy Glide? They probably did. Just gonna go Tangrowth. Should be a free knockoff for the most part after. Ooh, they switched too. Did they go Rotom? I just slash. Nice. Okay, I'll take that. Free knockoff again. Imagine the weakness policy. That would suck. Do I knock off? Fuck it, right? Doesn't look like they have any form of Cleric. Okay, so they go on the offensive. What do they do? Swords Dance or something? Oh, Shadow Ball. Ooh, special. Okay. God damn. If the terrain doesn't end, we should be able to kill. With Grassy Glide. Don't end. No, we don't actually. Don't really have a good Spadef wall. Do I just sack Duxclops? Yeah, probably. I can't lose Tangrowth yet. Oh man. Just gonna go into Noivern. I'm gonna hit Shadow Ball. They'll probably expect Flamethrower and go into like Politoed. Having U-turn would have been nice right here. Or do I Burn Burst expecting the switch, bro? That's the shit. Nah, I'm gonna Shadow Ball. I can't take a risky play right now. If they switch, they switch. It is what it is. I mean, I expect Politoed to come out, probably her Spadef wall. Oh, she stayed in. Okay. She's gonna lose her Iggy. Being crit turn 1. Yeah, Ice Beam's really free now. I can't stand. I really can't. I value the Noivern more, actually. I mean, the next time she brings in Politoed, I'll expect Ice Beam if she Ice Beams right now. But I couldn't bring in Darm on a Scald potential. We'll see. Because she'd click it if she had it. Yeah, she has it. Do I just sticky web or draining kiss? Cause Scald will kill, potentially. How much does this do in the rain, bruh? Let's see, Ribombi. Cause they could just switch into Rotom. I think I just sticky web right here. I'm gonna sticky web. Yeah, they switch. Okay, fair enough. Rotom Heat, right? Oh, okay. Gonna go into Tangrowth. Stall out some rain turns. This thing gets rapid spin, can be quite shitty. Ooh, Dynamax, okay. I think I get swept by this thing. If it gets a fighting move, I think it does. So no more rain. I can't lose Tangrowth, bro. I really can't. I can afford to lose Ribombi. Alright, let's see if I go into Darm. Into Kabutops. If you're Dynamax, EQ should still kill. Yeah, I'm just gonna EQ. I mean, if they switch into Rotom, big play. I'm banded. Yes, sir. They're gonna lose their Kabutops. Awesome for us. Okay, if they bring in... Okay, they bring in this thing. Okay. Well, they know I'm stuck now, right? I don't think they give this thing up just yet. They're probably gonna go Rotom. But I can't risk it, right? I feel like they're gonna go Rotom here. This is kind of bad. This is really bad. Yeah, Scald. Yeah, I can't risk that burn, bruh. Alright, I'm gonna expect Ice Beam here, so I'm gonna hard switch back into Darm and I'm gonna U-turn. Try to waste out as many turns of rain as I can. Ooh. Ooh. Is he? That's not good. We're halving the speed, bro. They should be slower. I think they're spec'd. I got a U-turn because nothing here kills. Yeah, I got a U-turn. And then I got a sack Tango. They're still faster? Even at half? That's kind of crazy, actually. I think I just lost now. Why are they faster still? Oh my god, they're like 5 points faster, bro. I'm gonna go Neuver and I'm gonna boom burst. I mean, neg 2. Not much else to do, really. Maybe I can get my sweep in. I mean, if they click Draco and they get a crit, they win. It is what it is. Oh, I gotta click boom burst and then just keep hitting mirror stream now. Okay, this is the Rotom. +1, and let's see against Rotom Heat now. Rotom Heat 50 versus my Noivern, who's +1. And then if I Dynamax, fuck, this shit still doesn't kill. They have to be scarfed. There's no way they're not scarfed to be doing this. I have to go for Air Slash no matter what. Because like I have to be faster in the end. It's the only way. Bro, Rotom dying to that crit really hurt. I should have just went Dusclops. I always get greedy in the first turns. I mean, I doubt this kills. Oh, it killed. Wow. Sick. So we didn't take damage. They're going to lose Rotom. Red. I mean, he's got a Higurashi Glide. Gonna max Airstream again. I mean, I think in the end they win anyway, because they're just gonna bring in Politoed to set the rain one more time. If Politoed dies to this max Wormwind, then we can still win, because we're gonna be faster now, and if I don't miss Draco, we win. I'm not sure. I doubt Politoed dies. No, it doesn't die. There's no way it dies. I mean, Wormwind has a chance to kill. I have to go for it. Yeah, I have to. If it kills, we win. If it doesn't, we lose. Oh! Alright, don't miss this Draco. We just don't miss the Draco and we win. Please, don't miss the Draco. Please. Ooh, Neuvern! Neuvern coming through! Yo, let's go! Yeah! My boy Neuvern with the 4 sweep, bruh. Let's go! GG to Lily. Yo, she really had me in a bad situation. Sorry about the pronouns at the beginning. I always just say he is a coach. Gotta get used to not saying that. That was a crazy battle, guys. We're gonna be 5-3 now, ending the season, so we should be in playoffs. Picking up the 2-0 dub. GG's again to Coach Lily. Thanks for tuning, guys. If you did like the video, subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button, and see you in the next one. Kiwi and Team Tempest out. Peace.